So guys, I'm gonna show you what are the characters' favorite food. Melon, cake. John, his tomatoes. The slime, phones. Lord, the aliens, pumpkins. The infected aliens, cactus. And they're the same thing of the large melons. They are not the infected ones. They don't like any foods. And dragon fruit likes to eat its own kind. Apple. And corn likes coconuts. And and some nutrition and spruce leaves for his salad. He's actually really a vegan. Okay, Cloud Titan. Anything that passes away, like enemies. So I get. Large apple. Metal scraps and cake. Pumpkin. Like oh yeah, I forgot. Got about pumpkin and large pumpkin. Pumpkin's favorite food is tea. While he is a big humanoid person. And he likes to eat rocks for no reason. And table scraps. Jacob, and Jack likes the same thing. Frozen melon. And the semi-titans like crate of cake. Yeah, that's what they ate. And everyone else likes popcorn. Which is why I'm putting dead rabbit made of a corn. And half a melon. So that means we need to get half a melon. That's a pun, right? And the head of a dragon fruit, the ultimate living meal. Make sure it's off because yeah, that will happen. Make sure to kill it and add a shakalaka oil. Now kill the fuck. Now kill the heck out of him. What am I doing here? Huh? What is that? A revolver to kill you? Yeah. And a revolver. And a revolver. A pistol. And a wooden stick. And make everything metal. Then cook it in 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Add random into the in here. Add what I feel like, and then start cooking. And that's how you make an ultimate popcorn. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna nuke everything from the ground. And press for the outro. There's no outro, by the way. Okay, let's see what will happen if we... Oh my god, now. This is the epic cooking show of everything. So let's add one. Let's see what will happen if we add a brick wall, like 1,000 of these up here. might take a while, so I'm gonna cut the video so you won't see it. Oh wait, Dominoes! Okay, let's see our cooked food. Okay, this is how to make the perfect popcorn. Hopefully this tutorial helps, and hopefully your food won't get burned. Don't follow this in your life, by the way. By the way, if you're dumb to do that, it's not my problem. Call the police if you're doing that.